how to add a dual clock widget on your iPhone lock screen. So if you're someone that wants to know the time frame of somewhere else in the world and you just want it on your lock screen, it's very simple to do. So from your iPhone, you want to swipe down from the top left-hand corner here and get to your lock screen. And what you can do here is go ahead and click and hold. And that's going to bring up the customize option. So go ahead and hit customize there. What you can do also is come out of here and go into your settings and do it that way as well. So you would come down to your settings, go to wallpaper, and then choose that lock screen background that you want to edit from here too. So we can go ahead and hit customize. So from here, all you really need to do is add a widget. See, I already have my clock here at the top. Go ahead and add widget. And we can scroll down and go ahead and find the clock feature. And from here, you have a couple options here. So I'm just going to do a city digital clock. So we're just going to click this. And what you can do is to go ahead and click and hold that time frame. And that's going to give you the option to change the city to anywhere that you want. So let's, for example, type in somewhere, I don't know, San Francisco, and that's going to give the current time frame, and it'll give you the amount of hours that you may be forward or behind. So once you have that there, go ahead and click out of here. And now from this point, you have your time, but you also have the time frame of the city that you chose, and that's it. Very simple and very easy.